Alright, we're going to try something interesting. I don't use Toolpath transforms, and I'm going to see how long it takes me to post a Toolpath transform that is actually correct. So if I go ahead and select my operation I'm trying to transform, go ahead and I guess go to milling, and I'm going to be I guess I'd be doing a planar rotate maybe. I'm on the upper left. I'm going to use y-axis cross. Then if I go here, I've got 6 versions of this feature at 60 degrees. And let me see, rotation view. Well, let me see. I think this is going to be right. Point to rotate about. We'll rotate about this point. I mean, back, I don't think back is right. I don't know how to change this right now. So I'm going to go like that and see it spit out a bunch of garbage here. Really, this is just kind of like a video based on, I guess for lack of a better term, showing people how this tool really isn't simple or properly built. We'll go back and we'll go to, geez, I guess maybe I need to be in a view. Let's go to, what am I in? View. We'll try to go to right side. Right. Okay, that'd be the right view. Maybe this will work now. So we'll rotate the operation again, planar rotate upper left, y-axis cross, at least one operation. So it's got the drill. Okay, plane rotate 6, 60. What happened? Okay, it did something weird. Let me see, maybe we can just modify parameters, who knows. Let's try rotary rotate. Y-axis cross, 6 to 60. And we'll refresh. Here we have the operation. It's giving me drill the holes on different points. Let's go ahead and post it out and take a look at the code and see what it looks like. It's going to take me a second. So if I grab this over here, we start at 60 degrees and we go to a negative position and we drill a hole, drill another hole, and drill another hole. And then this is interesting. It's posting an operation for each rotation, but it looks like, and it's turning on and canceling phonetic high-speed look ahead for every operation, which is also weird. But we are getting, it looks like we have all the right moves. So I guess that wasn't too terrible. I mean, it wasn't straightforward either, but didn't take too long to get that right. Let's give this a shot and see if we can somehow, maybe if I removed comments, I could get it to post without Darn it, anyway, that wasn't what I was trying to do. We'll rebuild. We'll output this again. But this is in millturn, so it may have made this easier than it would have been in Lathe. We can see in a second if it, I have Lathe in this program as well. I still have operation numbers, so that didn't really do anything for me. It still outputs in this weird way. But let's move the arrow up here. And now we're in a different menu, so let's go ahead and again go to right view, and then go to Toolpath Transform, and we'll go rotate. Okay. So I have to grab the operations. So I'd grab spot drilling in Toolpath Group 2 from millturn, and I'm rotating that. And I rotate coordinate transformation that have rotary axis options enabled. May result in conflicts. Consider the tool plane. Sure, I'll deselect the offending operation. So what it was telling me was some kind of message that said I should... What the heck is going on? I should be using the tool plane method. Consider using the tool plane method. No. Okay, tool plane. Include WCS, I suppose. I don't know why I'd be including the origin. I'm going to deselect that. Rotate 6 times at 60 degrees. And the rotation plane will be the source operations. Ooh, geez, there's a difficult one. Who knows? So what did it do? Not what we wanted. Rotation plane. Let's say right side. Zero operations selected. So we select the operation, post through, and what did it do? So it put some stuff around the diameter. Let's post that and see what happens. Want to replace it? Yeah, sure. Okay, so we start at 0. We go negative. We drilled the 3 points. That's correct. And we then would need a rotation in C, and we don't have it. So here we're going to drill the 3 holes, and we're going to drill the 3 holes over again 6 times, or five more times. So that didn't work. I don't see any C's. So let's go back into parameters and see what we did wrong. We were using rotate. I don't know what anymore. Let me see. We'll try to translate. Maybe. I mean, I don't see any, how do you want to attack this with axis combos or anything like that. Well, this is kind of screwed, actually, because this takes away my ability to do, so rotate was my only option, it appears. Work offset numbering, maintain, assign new. Maintain sources operation work offset. Assign new by tool plane, maybe. We're gonna do 6 at 60. I mean, I don't know why they don't take operations like this and separate them to different tools for the different types of machines that exist. This doesn't really... Okay, it said sources tool plane. Match existing offsets stored in... We'll copy... maintain source operations. I don't know. It said 0 operations are selected, so it deselected that. Then if I go here, I still got that, so and it did something wacky. So that shows you how Lathe differs from millturn. Lathe just doesn't work. You pay extra for millturn. I don't know. You know, somebody probably knows how to do this, but I can't get any sense out of it. That's why I don't use transform operations. And somebody made a comment saying you should just transform that. Well, the method of that is very clear here. Not.